Everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1972 Buick. This is a real Gran Sport. It was a factory 350 car that now has a built, sorry about the leaves in the wind, has a built 455 in it, and it runs, guys. Bought this car locally. This is an older restoration that has had a bunch of recent upgrades. Factory fire red car. This is the original color. That's the original black vinyl top, and I believe it has all the original black interior in it as well. This paint on this car, I believe they said, is over 35 years old. It has had one repaint. Matter of fact, I think the jams in the engine compartment are actually original, so you can pick the paint. But really good car, really runs and drives out really well. It's got air blows cold. It's been upgraded to the R134. And like I say, if you want something to drive, you will be completely impressed by the way this thing goes down the road. It's got the functional ram air hood. Again, as you walk around it, there's going to be some stone pecks, there's some blemishes. You can kind of pick at that. Still very nice. Previous owner took it to car shows. I mean, nothing to be ashamed of. These are the original bumpers. As you can see, our weather has severely changed. It is freezing cold. Dual sport mirrors, we'll touch that mark there. Soft ray glass. Really good car. Again, you can pick, you can see some blemishes back here. You can see it really needs a new hat rack or package tray, whatever you want to refer to it as. Matter of fact, I had a gentleman actually call me on this car this morning, and I'll tell you exactly what I told him. The things that I would replace on this car, I would do the front seats, the hat rack, and I'd probably just leave it alone. I'd drive it. Again, you want a fun driver that you don't have to spend $60,000 on, I think you're going to love this car. It's clean, it's straight, it's solid, and it is fun to drive. Cooper Cobras all the way around it. Those are relatively new. It's got 15-inch American Racing torque thrust. Really good car. They've upgraded it to 4-wheel disc brakes. It's got the slotted and drilled rotors. That is a good looking car. Again, factory small block 350 car that now has a aluminum headed 455 in it. It's got a Scotty Brown hydraulic roller camshaft in it. Fitech fuel injection. Edelbrock aluminum intake and aluminum heads. Does have headers. You can see it's got the stock air cleaner and the ram air hood. Power steering. Power 4-wheel disc brakes. Upgraded air. It's got the R134. It has a 350 built transmission. So it's got a little shift kit in it. I love the finned aluminum valve covers on it. Those are super cool. Really good looking car. Ooh, it's cold. I should put some gloves on. Yeah, our weather has really changed. Windy, cold. Looks like the original door handles. Car's only got 67,000 miles on it. You see how clean the door seams are? Again, I think this is all the original interior in it. This is the original paint in the door jambs. Back seat looked great. Again, I put a hat rack in it. Headliner looks good. And I'd replace both of these front seat covers. I'll show you the blemishes on the other side. Tilt column with a sport wheel, factory tack and gauges. All this stuff was working in here except for the tack. Again, it's all Fitech fuel injection. You can see how nice the dash pad is. Gauges are nice and clean. It's got aftermarket sound system that works. Factory center console. It's an H-pipe Dynomax dual exhaust system. 12-bolt 342 posi with a rear sway bar. I believe it's got all the original body panels. You can see it's all spackle coated in the trunk. It's got some kind of bunch of sound system stuff in there. I'm not a radio guy. Getting clean underneath. Bunch of new stuff coming, guys. We probably have, I don't know, 12 cars coming in the next couple of days. So make sure you're keeping track. This is what I'm talking about. And then they put some tape on those. I would recover these. Again, you don't want to, you just want to drive it, cruise it, have a blast with it. But again, watch out for our website. Bunch of new stuff coming. I showed you that door seam, I may not have. Yeah, it's Fitech fuel injection. It's a little cold out here this morning. It's got nice cam to it. This car really runs out strong. Air blows cold. Woo, it's cold. Doggone it. Wow. Not ready for this yet. Good oil pressure. Like so, all the gauges except for the tack works. It's got the kick panels with the speakers. Fit and finish is really nice on the car. Car gets its R's quick, guys. This thing will run. Radio works. The thing for little, what do you call it, for the Fitech is in the center console there. Again, everything opens and closes nice. These Buicks are great cars. Oh, my hand's about to fall off. Wow. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Good looking car, man. I don't know if Nathan's driven this thing yet. It'll shock him. This thing, like I say, it'll get out there and run.